Good morning and welcome to this edition of your Weathercast 8. I'm meteorologist Ann Roberts. We have quite a few little exciting nuggets of weather coming up in your forecast for this week. So we're going to jump right in that with a brand new graphic that highlights the upcoming weather events. The extreme heat for our forecast is gone. Temperatures are falling, which is all great. With that brings a chance of rain and also a chance of severe weather across the state. I can't let you know what day yet because I want you to keep watching. So here we go. Temperatures across the state look like this right now. We're into the mid-70s across much of the state. Here in East End, it's 73 with 87% humidity. Dew point temperature of 69, so that's down just a little bit from last week, with a barometric pressure reading of 30.09. We have high pressure in control of our forecast, and that high is just off towards the north instead of our south, which is bringing us a little bit better conditions. Also, slight chances of rain. Now you'll notice off towards the east here in Mississippi and Alabama, that cluster of purple, that system actually affected our weather yesterday and brought one or two little lone showers to portions of southern Arkansas, and it will also be responsible for firing showers off in some portions of the state this afternoon. Now it's a very low chance of rain, and obviously not everyone is going to see a shower, but there may be one or two to bring a little bit of excitement and relief across the state. Now, you'll notice off towards the west, though, that complex of purple and orange. That is our next weather maker, and that stretches across the entire country from New Mexico all the way up to Minnesota. That is a line of thunderstorms with a cold front behind it. That is our next weather maker. In a few days, it will be here, and we will have widespread chances of rain across the state. Again, I'm not going to give the day away just yet, because I want you to keep watching. Today we will see a high of 93, which is much better than last week. Last week at this time we were talking highs of 103 and heat index values of 115 to 120. Well, we're not looking at that today. We're looking at a high of 93. Those heat index values will be up in the 98 to 100 range across the state, so nothing too terrible. Now going into tonight, we'll see 72. It'll be comfortable. Again, those scattered showers in that 5 to 7 o'clock range across some portions of the state. It's a very low shot. It's only a 20% chance, but some people will see showers today. Now, tomorrow, again, that 20% chance of rain continues with a high of 93. Now, our dew point temperatures are going to be inching up. Our humidity levels are going to be inching up, but it's nothing to be afraid of as they're going up in advance of a cold front that's pushing through the area. That cold front will get here Tuesday night and into Wednesday. Check it out, folks. I'm so excited to show you this in the extended. Wednesday, 60% chance of rain across the state. Now, this does not mean that everybody will see rain Wednesday. It means that there's a good chance of rain for Wednesday, and there's also the chance of severe weather. Right now, it looks like heavy rain and strong winds are a possibility with that, so you'll definitely want to be aware of that as you head out for any activities you have planned on your Wednesday. Thursday is also the day to watch, as temperatures will be only in the mid-80s for highs across much of the state, so if you are very sensitive to chillier or cooler air, you may want to grab a jacket or long sleeves, as it may feel a little bit crispy to you going into Thursday. Going into next week, temperatures begin a slow climb back up, but we're not talking back into that 100 range. It's really staying into the mid-90s. Speaking of that, I really wanted to show you this because I know many of you are very excited about fall and when is it going to get here. Well, you'll notice that blue line across the top. That is the average of 93 degrees. That is the August average temperature for the state of Arkansas. You'll notice that temperatures begin to make a gradual decline as we approach September. They drop into that 89 to 90 range, and then by October into the 75-80 range. So folks, just to make you a little bit happy, I'm just going to let you know that we are only about 2 weeks away from September, so we should begin to see those temperatures begin to drop off shortly. Thank you for catching this edition of your Weathercast 8. Be aware of the changing conditions for Wednesday and grab an umbrella. Thank you.